say just do one, because you know what? Because if he happy, he will pay for whole set of the gel painting. And then you will get the whole set of gel painting for yourself. And might give him some goal for him to be happy. Right? This looks good. That's it. That's all you need to do. Is the clients want, if the clients want $5 nail design beside that ombre, you give them one stroke and maybe one colors. This is just for like just that tip to when you share, when you are price with the clients, and make sure you are pricings like accordingly. I just don't want to make it like become a flame. Oh, this look good. That's all you need, yeah? You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Let me get one more. Okay, I like that, Here for 60 seconds. Do you want, you have alcohol?
Mm-hmm.
So should we put some gold on that, the other one? All of them?
Just pick the one gold, one silver.
Yeah.
All right, so let's do silver, gold, silver, gold, silver.
Yeah.
Gold, silver, gold, silver, gold. Okay. Now you can see the color so much better. And the one, and then gold, silver, gold. Perfect. Silver. That's cool, huh? Right. Which one is that? Silver? Only this one doesn't have a swirl, just a line. So you don't need a lot on your brush loading, and then if you, just in case you need to load it more, you can always, you know, like pick it up more from your bottles. And then just hold it still and keep it one stroke straight down. Same thing. It's so easy to draw the skinny French. Hey, do you hear me really like soft voice? You feel like I am really talk low on it? Probably because I was pay attention on the gel painting. Sometimes when I feel clients were asking for a drawing like this and they keep talking, I don't even know what they're talking about. I focus on it and say, okay, yeah. So here, silver, next silver. Because I don't want to mess it up for the clients, so the clients will talking when I'm focused on gel painting. And this one, I'm going to do it thicker on the other end. Okay, like I have opposites. Loading more gel painting. Okay. Loading more gel painting. You know what? It looked like candy cane though.
Christmas in July.
Hey. Here you go. Here for 60 seconds. And then silver again. We do 1 silver, 1 gold, 1 silver, 1 gold. Silver. You know what? I want to paint this on all silver. Why everybody quiet? Hey, you guys still there?
Yep. Everybody knows Christmas in July. I like it.
No crystal though.
You don't need to. I think people enjoy.
Don't let me start with a crystal because you don't see this sword anymore.
Uh-huh. Take a little break from crystal and just let something else shine.
And this is, I know that a lot of you have the clients like, and this one looks different. And then you know what? You can even like feel this one with the silver too. But I didn't want to. You want to, you can do it yourself. Okay, here for 60 seconds. I know. Venice. Do I, if I say it right? Now we do gold.
Mm-hmm.